blender and makeup sponges in the microwave. So excited to try out this beauty hack. If it works, I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna see if it's gonna work. If not, monkey see, monkey do. I'm really an ass, really. So I saw this beauty hack on Twitter as I was browsing my Twitter newsfeed just to see what's happening on Twitter, what everybody's raving about, tweeting about and stuff and shit, you know. And I came across this young lady who put her dirty beauty blender in a cup of soapy water and put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and when it was done, it came out like super clean. If she could put her dirty ass beauty blender in the microwave, I can do it too, you know. Like, damn, do you see these shit? They filthy as hell. Like, these totally filthy. Even I put not only in a beauty blender, I put these makeup sponges also inside these in the microwave. So let me see if I can find the tweet for y'all. I saw Cupcakes, I screenshot, and her name is Punky Yaz 2UCL with a heart at J Coco. He said, ladies, I put my beauty blender in the microwave for 1 minute and look what happened. Apparently putting your beauty blenders in the microwave cleans them. And this is the tweet right here. I have to record this to see if this actually works, because really it's exciting to experiment on some shit and try to be a little fucking chemist right now. Like a little fucking scientist, you know what I mean? I'll be trying. If it works, a plus. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be really pissed at you, J Coco, for lying to me and telling me this shit works on Twitter and actually this shit doesn't work, okay? But in the meantime, between time, we're going over into the kitchen. Guys, I'm in my kitchen right now. We're about to start cooking this shit up, okay? We're gonna go cook this shit up. You see me trying to do my Italian accent like I don't fucking Chef Boyardee. Yeah, it's a Chef Boyardee. So the first ingredient I'm gonna need is some Joy. Of course, I'm gonna use this Joy Ultra Set because my gain already gone. So I'll use this Joy Lemon Set dishwashing liquid. Next, I'm gonna use my Marco's Pizza Cup. You know, I like their collections. Hey! So I'm gonna use a cup of this and some water. My cup up right here. So this is much water I put in my cup. So I don't want to put too much because when half of that, when it starts doing that boiling, I don't want it over. I just want to boil up for a minute, but I put it right here, just enough so it gets saturated with some water when it starts bubbling up, like bubbling a trouble. Let's begin. I think we're gonna throw some of this Joy in here. Next, I'm gonna drop some of these shit, all these shit, not some, all these shits in this shit, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. Press it down with my finger. Hold on, I try a pot spoon. Come on, hold on, let me get one pot spoon. Bitch, you do microwave, might as well do a cooking tutorial on how to cook sponges. Makeup sponges. Ooh, so it's already getting soapy. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. Get like really soapy. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Put it on for exactly 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. So it's 1 minute. I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, I have it on exactly 1 minute. So let's start. So dinner is ready, guys. It's ready. Let's check and see how this looks. I'm back on my throne. So did the microwaving the beauty blender really work? Like, drum roll, please. Yes, Cupcakes, it actually worked. Like, Coco. Hey, Coco, you were right, honey. This worked. So I apologize. So, sweating you a little bit, but it works, guys. Y'all can go to the mother's kitchen, papa's kitchen, Grammy's kitchen, let Grammy catch you though, and start whipping it up, honey. Whip it up. Start cooking up y'all some beauty blenders and makeup sponges. yes, honey, let's do this. And actually, I really love this hack because if your beauty blender dirty and you don't have time to, do all that cleaning and shit and that squishing and shit, just put it in like how I did it in for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, rinse it out. It's done. It's so easy. It doesn't even take that long. Like, seriously, I really love this hack. So I approve this hack. It's a super great hack. I love it. I'll be doing this more often. I think this will be my fave. I give this hack like 2 thumbs up. 2 freaking thumbs up. Like, everything is clean. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this sponges. Like, this look brand spanking new. Brand new, okay? Brand new. And these, super new. Look at that. All of these look new. Only one thing, this could have washed a little bit more because I know this is my favorite. I've been using this so many times. I need to and the beauty blender. It came back pink, but it still has some stains on it. I think that I could have leave it longer in the microwave for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, just to see if it would have cleaned it a little bit more because my beauty blender would need a little bit more attention. So cupcakes, those are my thoughts on the microwave beauty blender hack. I really enjoy doing this hack video. If any hacks that y'all want me to record, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what hacks y'all would like me to try out, Just to see if these shits actually work or they don't. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you're just passing by, please don't just pass by. Subscribe. Darling, it won't hurt, huh? It won't hurt. Really. Like, you're gonna love me eventually. Trust me, you will. So thanks for watching, cupcakes, and please come again and see you all again until my next video. Peace.